Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your Uber Plus card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Uber Driver app on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once the app is open, tap the account option located in the right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with different account features. Next, select Plus Card from the list. On the following screen, tap Get the Digital Plus Card to begin the setup process. The app will guide you through the remaining steps, so simply follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm some details or approve the transfer before the card is added. After a few moments, the Uber Plus card will be securely added to your Apple Wallet. You can open the Wallet app to check that the card appears correctly and is ready to use. If it does not show up right away, wait a moment and try again by following the same steps in the Uber Driver app. Thanks for watching.